The market has just opened, and Powell Industries stock (POWL) is up 20.98%. At some point, the gain was around 25.9%. We just have seen it now trading at 172.85 dollars. This is the news. The news is that at the close of yesterday's session, the company reported fiscal second quarter earnings of $2.75 a share, nearly quadruple year ago profits of 70 cents a share amid a 4.9% jump in revenue to 255.1 million dollars. The Houston-based company said project activity across the market it serves remains active, adding that the quality and duration of backlog in conjunction with the level of commercial activity support its belief that it can sustain its strong financial performance throughout fiscal 2024 and into fiscal 2025. Okay, so the stock has has done well this year. You can see that. Let me show you. Yeah, this has been doing well of late. Strongly bullish stock. Printed the highs. Got the rejection of around $185 as of early March. $185.52 and began to retrace. Now got a support as of the 16th of April at $123.6. That is where we now saw this rally ensue, and we saw a slight correction as of the 30th of April. That was yesterday, and it was from there that we have now seen it rebound to where it's going now to. So there's a good chance it can get to 182. It was actually at $180 in the pre-market session, so there's a good chance that it can retest this peak of 185.52. And if it does, if it does, and rather if it breaks through 182.72 and then indeed 185.98, there's every chance that it can get to 197.14. So yeah, everything is the fundamentals must be right. They must be right. The broader market is probably seeing that this company is a competent compounder, meaning that it has the ability to, it has been generating revenue from its assets, including and this includes capital and human resources, and has been able to generate cash from them, in a repeated, in a cyclical fashion, over and over and over again. So even if that is not the case, the other fundamentals that the company must have impressed them with, maybe having an economic moat, or supplying components that are not a major part of a bigger component. And as such, if that is the case, the people that the parties they supply these components to may not be in a haste to cancel their contracts. It's just going to be a minor consideration. As such, the company continues to stabilize things and even drives it further. That might be the case. There might be so many reasons. If it's not a compounder, that is what am I talking about? It's just it's definitely a compounder. You can see the revenue it's generating. It's better than what it was before. Profits almost 4 times. Earnings almost 4 times what it was before. So ability to generate funds definitely easily. That was the case. That is definitely the case with this stock. So once again, projections, if it gets to 182.74, expected to definitely blast through a 185.06 and probably march on towards a 197.14. But also notice that there's also a broader market weakness. So there's no guarantee that it will continue to do so yet. There is every reason why it should continue to march on and get to high highs. So let's have a look at its 1 week chart and see what we are looking at here. On its weekly chart, we have it's just coming into its Fibonacci projections. So it's coming into resistances, as a matter of fact. So yeah, because it's trying to retest those highs of early March. We have 179.39. We have 183.45. We have let's see what we have here. we have 183.11, we have 186.26, we have 188.48, 190.70. So we're now getting into the sort of levels we have on the daily chart. So, and then the most upper one is 197.87. So pretty much the same projections. It's just that these weekly ones are very much in between. Well, we are very much in between the highest and the second highest on its daily chart. So Powell Industries fundamentally sound, I think, fundamentally sound, and market participants have been participating, have been enjoying the success of the company all the way back maybe 2022. You know, yeah, see the spike that ensued, this steep spike that began sometime in early this year, yeah, or late early this year, yeah, that took it to that to the highs of 185.06. So just have a look and see what you make of Powell Industries. I will definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.